What's going on, everybody? We're back again. Today's Sunday. It's actually the 1st of March. Came out here earlier this week, done some stuff. Hadn't had a chance to get a video. The weather's been terrible around here. I apologize in advance. My breathing's not been the best. I've been wheezing, so you may hear me wheezing like crazy, and like normal. Sorry for the shaky camera, cell phone video. But come out here. Got these cab corners fit up, a lot of the final trim and stuff done. Got them screwed in place. I really didn't want to do that. I didn't want to put more holes in it that I got to weld up, but come to the conclusion it's pretty much a necessary evil to have some screws in them to keep them in place, keep everything we want it. Yeah, we got our rocker panel sit in there. Check that. That was the main goal right there, is get that right. My door needs to go in on the front bottom, sticking out a little far, but of course we got that little inner rocker panel piece in there. Got kind of surprised on that one. I assumed that I could put this thing underneath the floor and just spot weld it to the bottom of the old floor, but when I kept doing it, it kept pushing this rocker panel down, and I don't want any bigger gaps, so I had to put it on top, had to cut it, modify it, tweak it, make it fit. We got that pretty well done. Now, on these here, I have flanged the cab side so that this, this is like it's actually recessed below or behind the original metal, so I think it should make for a pretty easy transition. Down here, I thought about doing that, but it's a floor, and I'm not that worried about it. It's not a 100-point show truck. There's going to be carpet in it. So I got to take it all back out and drill holes for spot welds up there, back here, get that ready to go. I like to hit all these areas I'm not going to be able to get to with some chassis saver, and then figure out where my spot welds are going to be and grind them down. Use some weld through primer on those. And another big thing that I really hated was that thing was just way out. I couldn't get it. It's nice around here, but you could see right there was where it was going to come back this way, and that was going to put that cab corner way over toward the door, and it was going to just mess that whole gap up. And I didn't think I had any other option, because it was fitting good everywhere else, so had to kind of pie cut that thing. Now I got to try to get back in there and weld it up, and like I said, I have trouble with welding, mainly because what I'm using is just a 90 amp flux core, and I don't have the money to go buy a new MIG welder, and it's hard to get the tanks of gas and stuff around here for them to get them refilled and things of that nature. And I've heard a lot of horror stories about that, so we just get by with what we can. It's better than just leaving screws in it, I guess, like we did before. So like I said, we're going to pull this stuff back off and get ready to weld it up, and hopefully I'm going to contact the people I got this door from on this side, and I'm looking to go order the driver's side probably this week and see if they can get it in. That way, once I'm finished with all this welding, I can go over and start on that driver's side and get the rest of that finished fit, and get the door adjusted and rebuild those hinges. And that'll take care of a lot of the work on this cab. There won't be a whole lot left on it. But like normal, thanks for watching. You guys want to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, bell notification. Everything helps. And we appreciate you watching. Looking forward to getting another video up here soon.